these little puppies are, by the time we get them, the software is already uploaded so that they're ambulatory, even on steps, although of course I remember her first tentative up and down. But she's also able to ingest fuel all on her own. But it is like a little computer, and we're programming you with our voices, saying all the interesting commands that we do, and you're learning. Plus, of course, you're getting help from an older computer that's already used to all of our conversations, and who just taught you that, yes, you're allowed to chew on that. See? This is a bone that's made for dogs, for you to chew on. Yeah, you're allowed to chew on that. See? She presented that to you so nicely. You didn't even notice. I think that was a very nice gesture on her part. You guys would probably like this too. One of these, huh? You want one of these? Beef lung, yum. Sorry about the cord, but we're busy vacuuming out in the solarium. So. All right. Don't accidentally eat that. Very good.